In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about swim lane diagrams and show you how to build your own in Lucidchart to keep your team aligned. Let's address the basics. What is a swim lane diagram? A swim lane diagram is a type of flowchart that delineates who does what in a process. What is the purpose of a swim lane diagram? The primary goal is to provide a clear view of responsibilities and process steps across different organizational boundaries or functional units. There are several benefits of using swim lane diagrams. They help you pinpoint redundancies, clarify ownership, and ensure every team member understands their specific role within a complex cross-functional workflow. When designing your map, you can choose between vertical versus horizontal swim lanes. Horizontal lanes represent functional areas moving left to right, while vertical lanes often show movement across stages. Understanding the attributes and elements of swim lane diagrams is key. The pool represents the entire process, while individual lanes represent the actors, such as departments or software systems. For professional results, follow these swim lane best practices. Keep your lanes labeled clearly, and use assisted layout to ensure your shapes are perfectly aligned and easy to read. Now that you know the fundamentals, let's jump into the editor. Here is a step-by-step tutorial: how to draw a swim lane diagram in Lucidchart from scratch. Start by opening a new Lucidchart document. Open the Shape menu to find the Containers library, then drag a swim lane shape onto the canvas to create your first pool. You can easily customize your diagram. Use the Advanced Shape bar to add more lanes for each department involved in your specific process. Next, add your process shapes. Simply drag and drop shapes like rectangles for tasks and diamonds for decisions directly into the appropriate lanes. To finish, double-click the lane headers to name them. When you're ready, use the Share button to invite your team to review the document in real time. Now you're ready to build your own swim lane diagrams. Sign up for a free account and start visualizing your team's processes today.